Aristotle's Poetics. It was written around 335 BCE and it came under the literary criticism of philosophy of art. Aristotle's Poetics is the earliest surviving work of dramatic theory and literary criticism. It mainly discusses tragedy, its elements, and how it affects the audience through catharsis, purification of emotions. And Aristotle analyzes tragedy as the highest form of poetry and explains how it imitates human action to evoke pity and fear, leading to emotional cleansing. Definition of tragedy. Tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude, in language embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, in the form of action, not narrative, and through pity and fear, effecting the proper purgation, catharsis of these emotions. Six elements of tragedy: plot, mythos, character, ethos, thought, dionysia, diction, lexis, melody, melos, spectacle, opsis. Kinds of plot. There are two kinds of plot: simple plot and complex plot. And in simple plot, one continuous action without reversal or recognition. And in complex plot, includes peripeteia, reversal of fortune, and anagnosis, recognition or discovery. Key concept: mimesis, imitation of life and action; catharsis, emotional purification of pity and fear; hamartia, tragic flaw or error in judgment of the hero; hubris, excessive pride leading to downfall; peripeteia, reversal of fortune; and anagnosis, recognition or discovery of truth. A ideal tragic hero, neither completely good nor evil, falls due to hamartia, error or flaw, evokes pity and fear in the audience. An example as per Aristotle: Oedipus from Oedipus Rex. Types of poetry according to the Aristotle: epic poetry, narrative form like Homer's Iliad; tragedy, dramatic form showing action and emotion; and comedy, imitation of lower characters aimed at amusement. And the purpose of tragedy: to arouse pity and fear and then purify or relieve these emotions, catharsis. And the importance of poetics: first systematic theory of literature, basis of Western literary criticism, and influenced writers like Horace, Dryden, and Shakespeare. Thanks for watching.